Alright guys, it's Mark from One Day at a Time Farmstead. We are trying to dry out and we just made a big old food run for them. So Ginger. Alright, we gotta get unloaded. We'll be back with you in a minute. Alright guys, we're trying to get this load of food into barrels, and here we go again. It's starting to drizzle on us. Man, it's wet. Alright, we're going to get this stuff unloaded because it's starting to rain. We'll be back with y'all in a few minutes. So I don't know if we're going to do any goat brushing today. They're wet. I'm wet. Man. Give me some more food for them. Are y'all still hungry? There's my precious. One more. Hey Molly. What you doing, Molly? Y'all staying dry under there?
The hay was completely empty.
Alright, there y'all go. Make sure everything's closed up. I've never seen it this wet around here. Four days of solid rain. The girls are laying some eggs. Look at these, most of them staying dry. What y'all doing? Oh wow, look how big they are. Haven't seen them in a few days. Hey mama. Come on, mama. You want to come out? Come on. Hey, you laying eggs already, huh, girl? Come on. Look, she laid an egg in you. Look at that. Come on, mama. Alright, I'm gonna get mama out of there in a minute. Come on. No, come on, y'all. Come on. Gretel, come on. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. You got to move. Oh, man. I think we're about to take her out of there. She's laying eggs, so. No, you didn't. So I think Mama Chicken, as Jean calls her, and the two biddies are about ready to come out and explore the world here. There ain't no sense in keeping them cooped up. They're looking pretty good, so we might leave the two biddies in there, maybe no 2 weeks, but Mama can come out. Hey little buck, what you doing? Come here. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, what we got here? Well, everybody looks... You still dry and sitting there? She sure is. Looks like we're gonna have some more biddies running around. That's fine. I mean, we could always use extra chickens on the farm. It don't hurt nothing. Especially if you get some hens, you get tons of these every day. So, alright guys. We're not going to do no goat brushing or nothing today, no goat torque or nothing, because they're wet, I'm wet. So we're just gonna call it a day, I guess. Ain't much we can do out here. Hey buddy, what you doing? So ain't much we can do. Alright. Well, it's good to see everybody's doing good. You know, hopefully it dries out, which is supposed to dry out this week. So, all right, guys. I hope everybody has a good one. It's Mark from One Day at a Time. Be sure to appreciate everybody's liking and subscribing and joining our chat. The live chat is Tuesday night. So that's Tuesday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, Mississippi time, I call it. And having some good chat going on in there, some information. You know, we just sit there and talk, and well, mostly my wife does, because I've been running late getting home, so she's been taking it over. But we sure do appreciate everybody that's liking and subscribing to our channel and giving us a chance to grow. And we're over the 1,000 mark. We're over I think 8,000 watch time hours now. So we've been blessed. A lot of good folks that want to see our babies. Huh? Thank y'all. What, you want your egg back? That's not your egg. That come from Mama Hen in there. But she wants that egg. Look. You want that egg? Look how pretty. So we've been feeding our birds a high protein diet all winter long, and really feed them, you know, in the morning heavy and in the evenings heavy. So it takes a bit more to do that, but you get your birds stay healthy. You know, they stay fat, and so that's how we've been doing it. And even through the cold, they have been delivering. I don't know how many total we got today, but I know they've been delivering at least a dozen a day. So we haven't been without eggs all winter long. So we're going into February now, shortly. So let's just pray we don't get too much more freezing, and we get through it. And because you got to feed these guys when it's cold like that. I mean, you got to feed them heavy. I mean, you got to put food out here and just let them eat. And that's what we do. So, all right. They're all looking good. I really do love this place. So, I can remember being a little boy growing up with my grandfather and having chickens and stuff and pigs and rabbits. Hey, my girl, you coming to see me? Want some camera time? Want to tell me hi? You want some scratching, huh? Maybe when it dries up a little bit, Steve, I'll come brush y'all. It's too wet right now. Can't really brush you. There's my other one. Come on. Come on. There you are. You're looking good. Huh. You know, anybody that has goats out there, you understand how why you have them as pets, because man, they're really cool. They're cool. They're fun. And they show you a lot of love. Huh? Quit chewing on my knife. There you go. Yeah, they show a lot of love to you. And you gonna chew on my boot? So I know everybody sees my white boots on here. So down here in the south, we call this shrimp boots. And a lot of guys from shrimp boats, that's what we wear, white boots. And so a lot of people call them Chalmette tennis shoes because of St. Bernard Parish. A lot of people wear them down there. But I like wearing them. They're comfortable, you know. And you can get them muddy, you can rinse them off. So, but yeah, Chalmette tennis shoes. What are y'all doing? I just gave you more food. Oh, I think the sun's coming out. Thank you, Lord. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'm not gonna do too much out here. Really waiting for the spring for it to dry up, so we start growing more grass, cutting grass. Just, you know. My wife did pull up yesterday, and I think Dallas didn't latch the gate. All the goats was out running around, which is cool. That's fine. You know, it's all good. So, all right. Well, that's a peek at the farm today, and how wet it was, and how wet it is. What y'all doing? So, oh, they're looking good. What? All right. Hopefully they dry out. Yeah, have a good one. We're gonna make the best of what the situation is. It's wet, so that's what we're gonna do. We'll talk to y'all later.